February 12, 2022, Venus, Mercury, and Mars dance in the morning sky. Jupiter slips into evening twilight. The moon is in Gemini. Chart caption, 2022, February 12, morning star Venus, Mercury, and Mars dance in the southeast before sunrise. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:50 a.m. CST, sunset, 5:20 p.m. CST. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. At this latitude, daylight has lengthened to 10 hours, 30 minutes. By month's end, daylight adds nearly another 45 minutes. Since the beginning of the month, the sun's noon altitude, height above the southern horizon, increased 4 degrees. By month's end, the noon sun adds another 5 degrees of altitude. Additionally, the sunrise and sunset points move farther north during February, 12 degrees during the month. On February 28, the sun rises 10 degrees south of the east direction point and sets the same distance south of west. Morning sky. Brilliant Venus dominates the southeastern sky before sunrise. It is joined by Mercury and Mars. Mercury is nearing its greatest angular separation from the Sun, when we see it farthest from our central star, on February 16. At 45 minutes before sunrise, the speedy planet is nearly 5 degrees up in the east-southeast, and 14.1 degrees to the lower left of the morning star. To see Mercury, find a place with a clear horizon toward that direction. Venus and Mars continue their dance in front of the stars of Sagittarius. Mars is 6.6 degrees to the lower right of Venus this morning. Mars is overtaking Venus after the morning star reversed its direction, compared to the distant stars, on January 30. Mars passes Venus in 4 mornings. Use a binocular to locate Mars in the starfield. A few mornings ago, it passed Nonki. This morning, the red planet is 3.1 degrees to the upper left of the star. Also take note of Albalda, the city 3.4 degrees to the upper left of Mars. Tomorrow morning, Mars is above an imaginary line that connects the two stars. The next morning, the planet is below the line. Mars passes Albalda on February 16. Evening sky. Chart caption, 2022, February 12, bright Jupiter slowly departs the evening sky. The bright planets are moving to the morning sky. Jupiter continues its slow slide into evening twilight and toward its solar conjunction on March 5. 45 minutes after sunset, find it about 6 degrees up in the west-southwest. It sets about 15 minutes later. Spot it shortly after sunset. Chart caption, 2022, February 12, during the evening, the moon is in front of Gemini. Castor and Pollux are to the left of the lunar orb. As the sky darkens further, the bright moon is high in the east-southeast. The Gemini twins are the backdrop for the lunar orb this evening. The moon is 88% illuminated. Castor and Pollux, the names of the mythological twins, are to the left of the moon. Castor is higher in the sky than Pollux. The moon is nearly 10 degrees to the right of Castor at this hour. Tomorrow evening the moon is below Pollux, at the end of the line that connects the two stars.